Welcome guys to Bulla Softworks Limited. Bulla.Africa gives you the best point of sale system and billing system, which is simple, secured and reliable for your supermarkets, be it a retail shop, be it a pharmaceutical, be it a restaurant, be it a retail shop, an inventory wholesaler or a retailer. Bulla is here for you. So this point of sale doesn't just track sales, it helps you fund your next move. So after using Bulla Softworks and its payment gateway for 3 months, you'll be able to access credit from our partners. So we automate sales, inventory, staff expenses. Also we have M-Pesa and card payments integrated within our system with real-time business insights in terms of reporting. And we have an AI-enabled feature to pull out your reports. So this is our website if you want to learn more about Bulla in terms of pricing. We have the minimum subscription, which goes for $5. That's for an individual account. Going up depending on your use or depending on your need, you can reach out to us and get one of our plan. Also we have advisory around the same, which we can give you some insights on which plan to choose. So how do you create an account on Bulla? So first, in our website you have these Bulla.Africa. You can go to start a free trial, or you can go to register if you don't have an account. Once you tap on this, it will take you to Bulla pointofsale.bulla.africa /register. So this is where you can register your account for your business. So here I'll just do a demo of how we create an account on Bulla, assuming that my business is Kenya and maybe it's called let's say Classic Villa Restaurant, for example. It's in Kenya. If you are in a different country in East Africa, you can pick either of the countries. If you're outside East Africa, then you can pick others, and then your currency will be based on US dollars. So you can still use Bulla outside East Africa. But for me today, I'll try with Kenya, and then I'll put my number in here, my Kenyan number. And then I'll put some email address. Let me put a working email address, sorry. Then I'll put some simple password that I can remember once I'm logging in. So in here you can select a plan that suits your business. So here we have all the 4 plans, so you can select whichever suits your business. So I'll pick Core, which has at least 10 users, at least 5 location selling points, or rather stores. It has 1,000 products, and it has a number of hardware configuration and a number of features that I like. So I'll pick this. So I'll select that as my package. So you'll see my currency will be in Kenya shillings, and it will give me the amount that I'll be paying monthly. This is the token that I'll be a rough figure of the token that I'll be paying monthly. It can't go beyond 46.50.